Hi friends, this video shows how to fix autocall recording not working for some numbers. Open this phone app, tap on this phone app icon, tap on this recent tab, tap on these three dots on top right corner, go to settings, tap on record calls. See, right now I have enabled autocall recording. Tap on auto record calls. So here you can see three options. So right now I have searched this third option, calls with specific numbers. That is a problem. In this case, phone records only the calls from specific numbers. That is a problem. So here we have to select this first option, all calls. Done. So this way we can fix that issue. So after this, you can record calls from all numbers. So you can try this. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.